You ready to go race my car for me?
No.
Okay. Hello, Remy. Welcome back to the channel. Shout out to Bobby for being my cameraman today. You want to explain what we're about to endure?
I'm gonna watch you race.
Got it. Here you go, cameraman. Let's get her fired up, unloaded. Vader is gonna change up the map just a little bit, add some more RPM on launch control, and probably turn it down just a little bit so I can actually make some passes before it blows up. Bam! Hopefully today I can grab second gear. Unlike Bobby's car. Huh. I did bring spare oil, or extra oil, because this is a stock motor. Before we go racing, let me explain this car. Completely 100% stock Rally Art motor, same as an Evo, but it is what it is. 6870. Right now it's gonna be on like 33 pounds. Turned all the way up is on 44 pounds. And I'll probably turn it back up if I can make some solid just A to B passes, get this launch figured out. I don't feel like blowing the motor right off the bat. So I did initially build this car to be a drag car, really. It was like, had all those Varus parts and bullshit on it. But if tonight goes well, I'm probably gonna build like an actual drag car, which will be this car.
Well, I have something to say.
What's up?
I just feel like deep down at the end of this, you want this motor blown.
Well, I have a spare motor for the car,
So
which is fully built.
True?
I mean, I don't want it to blow, but if it blows, I don't care. This is for R&D purposes only. But that's what the oil's for, because it smokes a shit ton.
It's already blown up.
Losing compression, valve stem seals are leaking. It'll be all right. It's super sick tonight because the whole crew, everyone that I know that races is out here. We got Chris from Ranch Built, we got Vader, we got Remy, we got Justin Dremko, we got the whole squad is out here tonight. Should be fun.
You need to calm down.
I'm so like flustered right now.
I can see
it's
that.
not even funny.
Do I have to fill this fucking
Because my car's not ready. Okay?
Why? Let's get her fucking ready.
Owner.
You guys can experience a first track day with me. I guess I've had one in the previous past that was a complete shit show, so that one didn't count. Apparently we gotta go through tech. Don't know what that is, don't know if I'm gonna pass. Do I need my helmet? Probably.
Yeah, probably. You ready?
Coming in?
You want me to? Okay.
Vader's about to get gapped by a stock Evo.
Good.
Well, we made it through inspection just fine. And now, a couple hours later, we're gonna go put the car up in the proper lanes for test and tune. And then probably wait a couple more hours because as you can see, it's very busy tonight. I am having a random four-wheel drive system issue all of a sudden, and I'm not sure why. But hopefully it doesn't like make it front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive or do some stupid shit. We got my radio duct taped in. Hopefully she don't fly out. It looks good. And I'm gonna go ready to fucking make a fat pass if I can get my GoPro on.
Damn thing.
It's janky as hell.
No, I'm not.
Hi, we're coming.
We have to wish him good luck.
Oh, good luck. I love you.
Okay, that was perfect. Good job.
Devin,
I'm cold. They're at the front night lights.
you need to go into... What's your sign?
All right, Josh is up. I should make a hit, and I'm excited. And then I go. I was hoping to go with Josh. Come on, Josh. All right, I'm gonna guess that's like a 11.5, 11.7. I'm really curious what I ran over. How's it going? Oh, thank you. What was that?
I just said sorry about that.
Oh, you're good. Thank you. 11.5 at 127. I got it right. All right, I'm going for the 10s. Bro, something fell off and I ran it over.
What?
I don't know if it was something.
It shut me down.
What?
It went 3.8 to the 3.30.
Bro, that was a good run.
Anything in the threes is an 8. Damn.
What happened?
I don't know why it shut me down.
Bro, you were fucking gone.
Now why is it?
Something, oh, it's the inner fender.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, I like fucking heard something smack hard as, I thought it was my bumper. It was a hard hit.
I think I broke the output shaft.
Really? Damn.
I'm pretty sure I broke it in the burnout box, and then
Yeah.
when I tried to launch it, it just
Fuck.
done.
Are we allowed to keep running now?
Yeah, you got one more, I think.
I thought it was more serious than it is. It was just a inner fender that ripped out. I'm sure the tire grabbed it and yeeted her. My boy Josh is going up again. Hopefully he gets that 8. God damn, he is ripping.
You got pissed.
All right, up next is Devin.
Well, I bogged the launch on that one, so. Damn. That was a shitty launch.
I didn't think so.
No,
It's so blurry, can't even see.
I bogged hard as fuck. I'm gonna go one more time now.
You are?
I'm waiting for Josh. He's gonna fix his car. All right, it looks like it's just me now partying by myself. It looks like all of these Subarus unfortunately broke. Last pass was shitty. 11.7 at 129. 60 foot was a little bit better, but as you guys saw, I bogged hard as hell off the launch. So if I can get like a 1.7, 1.8 60 foot, it'd be a lot better off. So yeah, hopefully I can get one more pass in tonight. That would make me happy. It's looking like I may not have another pass tonight. The main thing I need to work on obviously is my 60 foot, a 2.2 and a 1.9 60 foot, both pretty shitty. And if I can get that down, then I'd be more happy.
Speed limiter. Yo, I'll put the speed limiter on for you. All right, you got it.
Vader's sabotaging me. I'm trying to beat this Honda over here.
Honda boy at heart, baby.
Yes, sir. What are we doing, Josh?
You know what? I'm tired of you being a bitch, so I'm putting the car on 42 pounds you can eat.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
It's alive, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's still alive. Damn, I gotta turn that shit up.
What the fuck is this red light mean?
Red light. You want me to turn it up now?
You want a fucking race?
Yeah, but you're a better driver than me.
We got 11-1.
I got you before you even left, Devin.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. The tree was different this time.
Wasn't it? Before you even left.
I had him before you
Had him
left. It's all right.
before you
Fuck
left,
that,
bro.
dude.
What do we go?
He was getting ready.
Bro, you hit 10.5?
10:57.
Dude,
what was my, what was
no
my personal
fucking
best?
way.
10:58.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
First time.
Bro, I heard you.
know.
I was on fourth limiter, just out the end. I did not give a fuck.
All right, so raise the limiter.
I want you to drive it.
Me?
Yeah,
I
dude,
can't
that
shift the senior.
All right,
I knew it. I saw him
fucking
jump, and I was
bro.
like,
I told Bobby I'd leave. If you can hurry the fuck up,
It
I'll
takes
set.
me 2 seconds to
All right.
flash it.
Fucking more boost.
Hey, 139
Bro, that
down,
was
baby.
dude, I know it's getting. Are you rolling another one?
I guess.
Get that 10, dude. How much?
And 9,000 RPM.
How much boost is that? 42.
This car is fucking spicy.
Good luck, sir. Hey, right lane.
This one was getting good.
Brother.
Just when you were getting hooked on me a little bit. Yeah, we just have to wait a couple.
Told you she was gonna fucking kill me.
Everyone is leaving.
Devin, what the
I'm
fuck?
sorry.
God damn, how long is it gonna be?
Not that many.
Like how actually long? I don't want to die, bro.
Die?
My fucking girlfriend's gonna cut my head
Who?
off. How long will that actually be?
It's probably gonna be like 10, 15 minutes.
Fuck, bro.
Probably half an hour.
10, 15.
45 minutes.
45?
I ain't getting my dick cut off tonight. There's no fucking way. Bro, I'll leave it here and you can drive it.
What about you? Where am I gonna drive it?
If you want to drive it, I'll leave it here for you.
No, I'm not gonna drive it without you here. That's not
I
right.
don't fucking care.
Yeah, but I want you here.
Alright. Next time. I'll leave her on this map.
Alright.
And Bobby's calling me.
Alright.
Well, I know I didn't get my 10-second pass. I was confident I was about to hit my 10-second pass. So on the race with the Honda, I jumped the gun a little bit. I'm still new to this drag racing thing and trying to read the light system and whatnot. So I did jump the gun a little bit on that race, and I think I went in an 11.2 there. And then Josh put it back on the map where it made 740, I believe is what it made, 740. And this lady pretty much kicked me out. So I'm sure I'll come back. I'm very, very excited. It was a lot of fun. I know I can get a lot better at driving. Of course, my nerves are getting the best of me for sure, but get a little bit better at driving and get that 60 foot down and we should be much better. But most importantly, I am freaking stoked that the car is still alive. It's still running well. We lost the inner fender. That's the only thing. Runs perfect, oil pressure's perfect. Had no issues with the car whatsoever today. We only made one slight adjustment to get a little bit more boost on launch, and that was about it, other than the last one where we turned it all the way up. So if you guys want to see more drag racing shenanigans in the future, comment below and let me know. I feel like today's video is shitty, but I hope you enjoyed. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you boys in the next episode.